Hi, this is Hal Bender, principal at GC Burkhead. We are here ready for open house. We are expecting our families tonight. We've got lots of information for them and we're excited to see our students again.
Hi, I'm Kayla Mabe. I am the Library Media Specialist here at GC Burkhead. We are excited for this upcoming school year and just want to encourage reading and get kids excited to read and encourage families to make sure that they're reading at home with their kids 20 minutes a night. Just that little bit every day makes a huge difference in just vocabulary development and things like that. And so we're excited for this school year and hope to get our kids reading lots and lots of books.
I'm Nellie Thomas with Hope Academy for Kids, and we are here at GC Burkhead this evening, and this is one of our favorite times of the year because we come here and offer free after-school services for the students enrolled at GC Burkhead. We offer holistic support and a lot of academic support for the students. So,
hey, welcome back to GC Burkhead, kids. I'm Coach Julia with Victory Martial Arts in E-Town, and I am so excited to see you guys today. If you want to do evening martial arts, after school or summer camp, and be a sport and do homework and snack and stuff, this is the place to do it. So just come by my table.
Hi, my name is Kristen. I go to Bluegrass Middle School, and I'm here for a Girl Scout sit-up at GC Burkhead Open House. I'm trying to sign people up today so that they can get involved with the Girl Scouts.
Hello, I'm Dean Taylor, part of transportation, bus driver here at GC Burkhead. Tonight is open house. Pretty stormy outside, but we're looking for a good turnout. But if you have any questions or anything about your child's enrollment, it isn't necessary for you to come to open house. You can contact the school that your student's in. And we're here to help you in any way in transportation, as far as all the buses, and also with the facility of putting your child in the right spot. Thanks for enrolling in Hardin County School Systems. It's the best. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Suzanne Parrott. I am the Family Resource Center Coordinator here at GC Burkhead, and we are excited to see some familiar faces as well as new faces tonight here at our open house. This year, there will be a big focus on good attendance. 6 or less is Bruin Best will be our motto. In the fall, we have our first Family Literacy Night that will be coming up. That will be on November the 19th. There will be a book fair that night, as well as a Kentucky author that will be coming to perform for our families. We also host Cradle School, which is for children ages birth to 5 and their parents. That's held at our College View campus. It's a free program, and it helps children to become familiar with school and to get ready for their first years of school. At the Family Resource Center, we also help with mental health counseling here at school, either outside of school or within the school day. We have a clothing closet as well for accidents or any children that are in need, and we also take donations for gently used clothing. We hope that everybody has a great year.